What is an embedding? It is how every AI app actually finds your stuff. In episode 9, we said vectors. This episode is what a vector actually is in 2 minutes, what an embedding is, what makes two embeddings close, and why every search bar now runs on them. First, the problem. Computers cannot read. They read numbers. If you want a machine to know that king and queen are related, you have to turn them into numbers. Easiest way to think about it, an embedding is a coordinate on a map of meaning. Words with similar meanings sit close together. The model literally measures the distance. The pipeline. Text goes in, an embedding model turns it into a vector, a long list of numbers. That vector is the embedding. Same input always gives the same vector. How long is the list? Depends on the model. OpenAI's small, 512. OpenAI's large, 3072. Anthropic's, 1536. Llama 3, 4096. What close means? The model computes the angle between two vectors, cosine similarity, 0 degrees, identical meaning, 90 degrees, unrelated, 180, opposite. The famous demonstration, king minus man plus woman equals queen, the math works because the relationships live in the vector space itself. Where embeddings live, vector databases, Pinecone, Weave8, PG Vector, Qdrant, store the vectors, find the nearest neighbors, fast. When you need them, semantic search, RAG clustering, recommendation, anomaly detection, anywhere you need, similarity without exact match. So that is an embedding, a coordinate. On a map of meaning, text in, vector out, distance equals, similarity, the reason every modern search bar returns relevant stuff, even when you do not. Type the keyword. From zero, one tech basic, explained from scratch, every week, subscribe for the next lesson.